Find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. If it passes through the points -2, 2 and 3, -1. This is May 22. Yes, do this. In ellipse, we have passing through 2 points. I have not done this problem before. But in parabola and circle, we know how to pass through the points. So, you can start. Equation of ellipse passing through 2 points. So far, we have come across parabola and circle passing through points. So first, you should know the standard form. What is let the equation of the ellipse? In the standard form, is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 where a greater than b. This is equation number 1. Ellipse है ऐसे क्यों ही रहता? Since equation number 1 passes through the point -2, 2. Now in the place of x you put -2, in the place of y you put 2. So -2 whole square by a square plus 2 square by b square is equal to 1. So we get 4 by a square plus 4 by b square is equal to 1. If we take 4 common and take it to the other side, we will get 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. Equation number 2. Okay. Now, equation number 1 passes through the second point. What is the second point? 3, -1. So 3 square by a square plus -1 whole square by b square is equal to 1. So you get 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. This is equation number 3. In 2 and 3, you have 1 by b square, 1 by b square. If we subtract these two equations, 1 by b square, 1 by b square will get cancelled. So either you do 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2, anything is fine. 1 by a square plus 1 by b square and 9 by a square plus 9 by b square. This is 1 by 4, this is 1. This is 1 by b square. Change the signs. This get cancelled. 1 minus 9 is -8. So -8 by a square. What is 1 by 4 minus 1? 1/4 minus 1 is 3/4, no? So this is -3/4. Minus cancel. We will take the reciprocal. A square by 8 is equal to 4 by 3. Take here 4 is in the numerator, here 8 is in the denominator. You cannot cancel like this. Now we take by 8 that side. You will get 32 by 3. A square is 32 by 3. We don't want a value. We want a square only. Understood? Note down till here. So whenever they say passing through points, method is the same, whether it is circle or ellipse or parabola. Substituting a square in either 2 or 3. Substituting a square in equation number 2. So 1 by a square is 32 by 3. Plus 1 by b square is 1 by 4. So you will get 3 by 32 plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 32. LCM is 32. 4 8s are 32, so 1 8s are 8. 32 1s are 32, so it is 3. So 1 by b square is 5 by 32. So b square is 32 by 5. Now substituting a square and b square in equation number 1. Substituting a square and b square in equation number 1. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If I take this up, we will get 3x square by 32 plus 5y square by 32 is equal to 1, or we can write 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32. This is the ellipse equation. Take the next question, try this. I have done this before. This is an SAQ from ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse. In the standard form, whose distance between foci is 2. And the length of a latus rectum is 15 by 2. Find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form, whose distance between foci is given and length of latus rectum is given. I have already done 2 questions of this model. Whenever you find ellipse in the standard form, we write, let the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. This is equation number 1. Now what is given to us? Distance between foci is 2 given. What is the formula for distance between foci? 2AE is equal to 2. 2 to cancel, we got AE is equal to 1. Let's say equation number 2. Now what else is given to us? Length of latus rectum is 15 by 2. What is the formula? 2b square by a is equal to 15 by 2. Take 2 by a that side, you will get b square is equal to 15 by 2 into a by 2. So b square is 15a by 4. We got one relation between b and a. Now we know ellipse condition, no? What is the ellipse condition? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. In the place of b square, we will write 15a by 4. Here we multiply this into this into this. So we get a square minus a square e square. But from equation number 2, AE is 1. So a square e square will also be 1. Now you cross multiply. 15a is equal to 4a square minus 4. Take 15a this side. 4a square minus 15a minus 4 is 0. Now we need to factorize this. Make it fast. Shall I erase the question now? Now you see we got 4a square minus 15a minus 4 is 0. We are splitting the middle term such that you should get 16 if you multiply. So 4a square minus 16a plus a minus 4 is 0. If I take 4a common, a minus 4. 1 common, a minus 4. Now a minus 4 common into 4a plus 1. So a is equal to 4 and minus 1 by 4. So we take, since a is positive, a is equal to 4. Now from this box you see, we got b square is 15a by 4, no? B square is equal to 15a by 4. That is 15 into 4 by 4. 4 cancel. You got b square value as 15. Now substituting a and b in equation number 1. Substituting a comma b in equation number 1. So x square by 16 plus y square by 15 is equal to 1. This is the equation. We have already done 2 problems before in the regular ellipse class. Same model 2 problems I have done. When distance between foci is given and length of latus rectum is given. Take the next SAQ from hyperbola, question number 3. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose foci are plus or minus 5, 0. And the transverse axis is of length A. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose foci is given. Transverse axis is of length 8. I have done this question. First you write down given that foci is equal to plus or minus 5, 0. What is foci formula? Therefore, plus or minus AE, 0 is plus or minus 5, 0. So AE is equal to 5. Let this be equation number 1. Now what else is given? Transverse axis is of length 8 means length of transverse axis is given. Length of transverse axis is 8. So what is the formula for length of transverse axis? 2a is equal to 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. A is equal to 4. Substitute a in first equation. Substituting a in 1. So 4 into e is equal to 5. So e is equal to 5 by 4. We got e now. To find b, we need to apply the condition. What condition do we know for hyperbola? B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Is it e square minus 1? Yeah. So b square is equal to a square is 16. E square is 25 by 16 minus 1. 25 by 16 minus 1 is 9 by 16. If I take LCM, 16 cancel, b square is 9. Now substituting a and b in equation number, no, sorry, not in equation number 1, in the hyperbola equation. Okay. So x square by 4 square is 16. You get a minus. Okay, y square by 9 is equal to 1. In hyperbola, you get minus. In ellipse, you get plus. Don't get confused. In ellipse, don't put minus, and in hyperbola, don't put plus. Otherwise, both ellipse, hyperbola, everything will go wrong. Now we'll do a few integrations. Question number 4. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx. Listen to me carefully. This question is very easy if you understand. So whenever limits are given, it is a question from definite integrals. Okay. Now what do you know about modulus? See, mod 1 minus x will be positive if x is less than 1. Yes or no? Take any value. Let us take 0. 0 is less than 1. No? If I substitute in 1 minus x, we get a positive value. No? So mod 1 minus x will give you 1 minus x if x is less than 1. And mod 1 minus x will give you a negative of 1 minus x if x is greater than 1. You take any number greater than 1. Let's take 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. No? So it is becoming negative. No? When is it becoming negative? If x is greater than 1. When is it becoming positive? If x is less than 1. So 1 is the base value. Based on 1, whether it is less than or greater than, the value is becoming either positive or negative. So what I will do here is, this is the concept I am going to apply. Okay, this is not a concept from integration. This is a concept from algebra. Understood? So the given integral 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x, I will split it into 2 intervals. One is 0 to 1 and the other is 1 to 2. Did you understand this step? 0 to 2, I am breaking into 0 to 1 plus 1 to 2. Now from 0 to 1, if the values are 0 to 1, will it be positive or negative? From 0 to 1, it will be positive. So I write integral 0 to 1, 1 minus x dx. Now I removed the modulus here. Now, here also I want to remove the modulus. If any value is between 1 to 2, mod 1 minus x will become negative. So that is minus of 1 minus x. Did you understand? First term is positive, second term is negative. Now I removed modulus. I removed modulus from both the functions. For the first one I took positive, for the second one I took negative. Because we have checked on the right hand side in that box. When it is becoming positive, when it is becoming negative, we have checked. Based on that, we have taken. Always not necessary first one should be positive, second one should be negative. Based on the values, we get positive or negative. Understood? Now that is integral 0 to 1, 1 minus x dx plus integral 1 to 2 minus, if I take inside, it will become x minus 1. 1 minus x will become x minus 1. Now separating the integrals. Integral 0 to 1, 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1, x dx plus integral 1 to 2, x dx minus integral 1 to 2, 1 dx. See, you cannot cancel positive, negative here because limits are different. You cannot cancel them. So now tell me what is yesterday I gave a few formulae, in integration. Did you learn them? What is integral 1 dx? X. X. Do the integration, apply the limits. In definite integrals, we don't have to write plus C because we have limits. Understood? Minus. What is integral x dx? X square by 2. I told you yesterday, x dx is x square by 2. X square dx is x cube by 3. X power 5 dx is x power 6 by 6. You have to increase 1 in the power, 1 in the denominator. Here also apply the limit 0 to 1. Now what is integral x dx? X square by 2 from 1 to 2. Minus what is integral 1 dx? X from 1 to 2. Now slowly I am applying the limits. You just see how I am applying. Here x is there now. In the place of x, first I take upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is 1 minus lower limit is 0. First bracket is completed. Now minus 1 by 2 is a constant I am taking out. Now you have only x square inside. Now again I am applying the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 square is 1 minus 0 square is 0. Are you understanding how I am applying the limits? Plus again 1 by 2 outside. Now again we have to apply the limits for x square. Limits are 1 to 2. So 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. Minus here x is the value. We have to again apply the limits 2 minus 1. Is everyone understanding how I am applying the limits? Plus minus, don't do any mistakes. 1 minus 0 is 1. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 into 3 is 3 by 2. Minus 1. Now I can cancel plus 1 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 is the final answer. Did you understand? So here we applied modulus condition also. Okay. Have you followed how we are slowly opening modulus and slowly we are integrating and then applying the limits? Understood? Note it down step by step. Any doubt in any step, ask me. So what formula did we use over here? Integral 1 dx is x plus c. Integral x square dx is x cube by 3 plus c. Only two integration formula we used here. Take the next question, evaluate. Integral minus 1 to 2 x square by x square plus 2 dx. Now you see the given integral is integral minus 1 to 2 x square by x square plus 2. We don't have any direct formula for integral x square by x square plus 2. Or there is no chance that we can separate them. We can separate them if two terms are in the numerator, one term is in the denominator. But here one term is in the numerator and two terms are in the denominator. So separating is also not possible here. So what I will do over here is, first you write down given integral. Given integral I is equal to integral minus 1 to 2 x square by x square plus 2 dx. Now what I will do is adding and subtracting 2 in the numerator. So we will get x square plus 2 minus 2. I am adding and subtracting 2. So it will become x square plus 2 dx. Now I will separate. Integral minus 1 to 2 x square by plus 2 by x square plus 2 dx minus integral minus 1 to 2 2 by x square plus 2 dx. Listen to me carefully. Now x square plus 2 cancel. That is integral minus 1 to 2 1 dx. Minus integral minus 1 to 2. Let's take this 2 outside. We will get 1 by x square plus 2 I should write. Now, how can I write 2 as some square? How can I represent root 2 whole square? So I can write it as root 2 whole square. I have done this for a reason because we have a formula for 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula for integral 1 by x square plus a square? It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is the formula which we are going to apply. So for the first term, integral 1 dx. What is integral 1 dx? X. Whenever you have integral 1 dx, it is x. Apply the limits. Minus 2 into. Now I am applying this formula. Wherever I have x, I put x only. Wherever I have a, I put root 2. So that is 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by root 2 plus c. Now root 2 ones are root 2 root 2s are. Because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now here I will apply the limits. First apply upper limit minus. Now apply lower limit. Lower limit is minus 1. So minus of minus plus. Minus root 2 tan inverse of x by root 2. Don't write plus c here because it is definite integral. We are applying the limits. So here also it is minus 1 to 2. So here we will apply the limit now. Tan inverse. First I put 2. 2 by root 2 minus. Now I apply minus 1. Minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Here root 2 ones are root 2 root 2s are. Note down till here first. One last step is left over. You understood the simplification, the integration. Integration is just application of the correct formula. Now one last step is left over here, the final simplification. So what is 2 plus 1? It is 3 minus root 2 into tan inverse root 2 minus. See, minus will come out from the tan and minus into minus will become plus. Tan inverse 1 by root 2. This is the final answer. So here what new formula you got to know? Integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Next. Take a question from differential equation. Solve the differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to xy plus y by xy plus x. This is an easy method which we are going to follow here. Listen to me carefully. First, I will write given differential equation. Given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to xy plus y by xy plus x. Now dy by dx is equal to, I will take y common, I will get x plus 1. And here I will take x common, I will get y plus 1. Now I will separate. I will take all y terms one side and all x terms to the other side. Understood? So this dx I am bringing to the right hand side. All y terms I am bringing left hand side. What are the y terms here? Y is there, I will bring here. Y plus 1 I will bring here. All y terms one side, all x terms to the other side. So y plus 1 is in the denominator. It will come in the numerator. Y is in the numerator. It will come in the denominator. dy is equal to, here as it is, x terms will not change. X plus 1 is in the numerator and x is in the denominator. Dx will go there. Let us put brackets like this. Okay. Now, let us separate them. How to separate? Y by y plus 1 by y. If numerator more number of terms are there, denominator less number of terms are there, we can separate. Mostly when in the denominator only one term is there, it is very easier to separate. Into dy. Here, x by x plus 1 by x dx. Y cancel. 1 plus 1 by y dy is equal to x cancel. 1 plus 1 by x dx. Did you understand? So far I did not use any integration calculus concept. Okay, just normal simplification only I am doing. Now, integrating on both sides. Okay. So we get integral symbol here. Integral 1 plus 1 by y dy is equal to integral 1 plus 1 by x dx. Now we separate integral 1 dy plus integral 1 by y dy. Here we separate integral 1 dx plus integral 1 by x dx. Now here I am doing the last part. Integral 1 dy is, see I told you integral 1 dx is x. So integral 1 dy will be y. One more formula I am introducing here. Integral 1 by x is log x. So integral 1 by y will be log y. Now integral 1 dx is x. Integral 1 by x is log x. Okay. Now we should write one c, no? Instead of writing c, I will write log c. Whenever you have log in term, you got the answer in terms of log. Instead of writing plus c, we will write log c. Okay. Now y plus, how to simplify this now? Log a plus log b is log ab. So log x plus log c is log cx. Now I will take log cx that side and x y this side. X minus y is equal to log y minus log cx. So x minus y is equal to, now log a minus log b is log a by b. So this is log y by cx. This is the general solution. Understood? Note it down. And this method where we are separating all y terms and x terms, this method is called variable separable method. Very easy. Not much integration is involved here. Variable separable method. You are separating the variables, integrating. First, I took x and y common in the first step. Then I separated xy terms. After separating, I cancelled. Then integrating on both sides. After putting the integral symbol, I separated again. Then I am applying the integration formula. What formula we used here? Integral 1 dx is x. Integral 1 dy is y. Integral 1 by x is log x. So integral 1 by y will be log y. Okay. One more question we will take from variable separable method only. So you will get a clear picture. Solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y plus x square e power minus y. See, if in VSAQs, if order degree will not come from differential equations, one simple variable separable question they will give you. Very simple. This is a 4 marker, but that they will give you some easy function like only x and y. You have to separate it, integrate it, give the answer. So you should know how to do. Don't leave the question when it is given. Now you see in both the terms we have x and y combined. So there is no chance of separating them. Yes. So first what I will do is now given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y plus x square e power minus y. This is an SAQ, 4 marker. So now how to separate them? Last problem, we took common and we separated. Here, taking common is also not possible. You don't have anything to take common. So what I will do is, e power x minus y I can write. See, a power m plus n you can write a power m into a power n, no? From exponents. Now the same way e power x minus y I can write e power x into e power minus y. I separated it. Now you can take e power minus y common. No? So if I take e power minus y common, we will get e power x plus x square. You understood? I took common. Now what to do? Separating y terms and x terms. So this dx I will take right side. This e power minus y I will take left side. When I take e power minus y to the left side, it will become e power y dy is equal to e power x plus x square dx. Now, when you have separated them, integrating on both sides. Okay. See, we have a formula. Integral e power x dx is e power x plus c. And integral x square dx is x cube by 3 plus c. These two formulae we are going to use now. First, when I wrote integrating on both sides, I should put integral symbol. E power y dy is equal to integral e power x plus x square dx. Now I am separating. Integral e power y dy is equal to integral e power x dx plus integral x square dx. Now integral e power y dy is e power y only. Integral e power x dx is e power x only. Now integral x square dx is x cube by 3 plus c. You can stop here also. This is the general solution. Is it easy? Just we are separating x and y terms. Then we are shifting x terms to one side, y terms to one side, and then integrating. So variable separable method is clear to you from differential equations. Sometimes there is a chance that they will give in VSAQ also. But if they give VSAQ, they will give very simple function. Okay. LAQs of differential we will not do because those are time taking. You cannot learn in one day. It takes time. it needs a lot of practice. So LAQs we will not touch. VSAQs and SAQs we are doing. Okay. Differential equations doesn't have much of integration. One question is sure to come from variable separable, either VSAQ or SAQ. It is based on the function, what is given, how you solve it. Okay. Now we'll take LAQs. First LAQ is find the equation of the circle passing through the points 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Do this by yourself. Give me the answer. For this question, G is -2, F is -3, C is 11 and equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is 0. Everyone has done it. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. See, directly I am writing the equations, okay? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0, equation number 1. If I substitute first point, I will get 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25, equation number 2. If I substitute second equation, I will get 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13, equation number 3. If I substitute third point, I will get 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. If I do 3 minus 2, what I will get? Minus 4f is equal to 12. So f is equal to minus 3 we will get. If I do 4 minus 3, I will get minus 4g plus 4f is equal to minus 4. If I take minus 4 common, g minus f is equal to 1. If I substitute f value here, g minus of minus 3 is 1. G plus 3 is 1, g is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Now substituting gf in, let's say equation number 3. So 6 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 3 plus c is minus 13. Minus 12 plus c is minus 13. C is 24 minus 13, c is equal to 11. Substituting GFC in equation number 1, you will get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is 0. Next. Take an SAQ again. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is 0 on the line y is equal to x minus 3. Done. First, you should draw a figure. Whenever chord question comes, draw a figure. Now first write down given circle equation. x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. From circle equation, find GFC. G is minus 1 by 2, F is 3 by 2, C is minus 22. Center is 1 by 2, comma, minus 3 by 2. Radius is root over 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus of minus plus 22. That is 10 by 4 plus 22. 2 2s are 2 5s are. 5 plus 22 is 49 by 2. That is 7 by root 2. So r square is equal to 49 by 2. Now we will write D is perpendicular distance. D is perpendicular distance from center 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the line y is equal to x minus 3. We bring y this side. X minus y minus 3 is 0. A is 1, B is minus 1, C is minus 3. Formula is mod ax1 plus by1. Formula is very important. Directly don't do the substitution. Formula also carries marks. Now we have to do the substitution. Shall I erase the question? So D is equal to A is 1, x1 is 1 by 2. B is minus 1, y1 is minus 3 by 2. C is minus 3. By root a square plus b square, 1 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3. By root 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is 1. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is D. So D is equal to 1 by root 2. D square is equal to 1 by 2. Now length of chord is 2 root r square minus d square. R square is 49 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 48 by 2 is 24. 24 I can write 4 into 6. So that is 4 root 6 units. Likhna. Take an LAQ from circles. Find the equation of the circle which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Externally at 5 comma 5 with radius 5. We did not do this question. See, here it is saying that one circle touches the other circle externally. Okay. So like this. The figure is very much known to us. We have used this in point of contact problems. Okay. This is first center. This is second center. And they are touching at this point 5 comma 5. They have given point of contact. They have given radius. Okay. So first circle is given to us. Second circle we have to find out. So first write down given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is 0. Okay. First circle is known to us. Second circle we have to find out. But second circle radius is given that it is 5. So when the circle is not known, let us say it is h comma k. And from the given circle, we need to find out GFC. G is 1, G is minus 1, F is minus 2, C is minus 20. Center is 1 comma 2. So this is 1 comma 2 center which is known to us. Let us say first circle is S. So this is S is equal to 0. This is S dash. S dash is not known to us. We have to find out. So center I have taken it as H comma K. But radius is given for that. Understood? Now let us find out radius for the known circle. Root over G square plus F square minus C. 1 plus 4 minus of minus plus. So that is 25. That is 5. So this is also 5. Understood? Now point of contact is also given to us. We know that P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Means in the section formula we get a plus sign. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now you see how I am applying this formula. In the place of P, I am taking 5, 5. In the place of M, I am taking, see, R1 is to R2, no? So 5 is to 5. Ratio is 5 is to 5. That is 1 is to 1. Cancel कर दिए 5, 5. Simplest लिए तो easy आ जाता ना answer. Now M is 1. X2 is H. Plus N is 1. X1 is 1. By M plus N. 1 plus 1. Then M is 1. Y2 is K. Plus N is 1. Y1 is 2. By 1 plus 1. Now equate corresponding coordinates. So you get 5, 5 is equal to H plus 1 by 2, K plus 2 by 2. Equating both of them now. So H plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. So H plus 1 is 10. H is equal to 9. Next, K plus 2 by 2 equals to 5. K plus 2 is 10. K is 8. So we got the center, second center as 9, 8. Now we got center as 9, 8. Radius is 5. What is equation of circle formula with center and radius? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So center you take h comma k. So 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 5 square. Open the brackets, x square plus 81 minus 18x plus y square plus 64 minus 16y minus 25 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y plus 120 is equal to 0. 81 plus 64 is 145. 145 minus 25 is 120. Did you understand? Till now in point of contact problems, we were given circle equations. We used to find out everything. We were used to it. Now in this problem, there is a twist. One circle equation he gave, one circle equation he did not give. But the equation which he did not give, its radius he has given. So using those concepts which is given, using the ones which is given, and we found the other ones. Understood? This is also one of the expected LAQ. Those who have finished can take this question and try this. Find system of circles SAQ. Find the equation of the circle passing through origin having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 4 and intersecting the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 orthogonally. So for this question, let the equation of circle be, or let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now equation number 1 passes through origin. Origin is 0, 0. So 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c is 0. So you get c is equal to 0. Now, what is the given circle equation? Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 is 0. Equation number 2. So from first equation you get G1, F1, C1. G1 is G, F1 is F, C1 is 0. And from second equation you get G2 is minus 2, F2 is 1, C2 is 4. Now since 1 and 2 are orthogonal, what is orthogonal condition?
2G1, G2 plus 2F1, F2 equals to C1, C2.
C1 plus C2. So 2G into minus 2 plus 2F into 1 is equal to 0 plus 4. So minus 4G plus 2F is equal to 4. If I take 2 common, minus 2G plus F is equal to 2. I got equation number 3 in terms of G and F. One more condition is given in the question. What is that? Center lies on the line. Now it's given center minus G comma minus F lies on the line. X plus Y is equal to 4. So in the place of X and Y, you put minus G and minus F. So minus G minus F is equal to 4. Equation number 4. Solving 3 and 4. In 3 and 4, both you have F. We don't have to multiply with any number. Directly we can do. Minus 2G plus F is equal to 2. minus G minus F is equal to 4. F minus F cancel. Here I am writing minus 3G is equal to 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. G is minus 2. So, substituting G in equation number 3, let's say. So, minus 2 into minus 2 plus F is equal to 2. 4 plus F is 2. F is equal to minus 2. You got G and F both as minus 2. Now substituting GFC, C already you got it as 0 in equation number 1. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 2 into x plus 2 into minus 2 into y plus 0 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is 0. I have done different models in orthogonal. Two circles when they are given, then 1 and 2 are orthogonal, 1 and 3 are orthogonal. Then when one circle and one center is given, this is the one. Yesterday also I have done one more model, no?
2 circle, 1 point.
2 circle, 1 point is also there. So I have done different models in orthogonal. Do each of them. Yes.